and I got a Grove box today. I've been seeing it on YouTube and on Facebook, and I thought, well, they're gonna give me this great deal. I'm gonna try it for the first time. So I wanted to unpack it with you to see what I got. First, there's a book, looks like a catalog of all their products. Okay, and there's a packing list. Okay. First, we have the stoneware tray. I wanted one of these. I thought this would be really cute by the sink, keep things a little more organized as far as my dish soaps and stuff. And that's a really cute tray. I really like that. And then here we have 16-ounce spray bottle. Better way to clean. Did you know that most cleaning products are 95% water? Fill this reusable spray bottle with any of the ultra-effective cleaning concentrates for reduced waste and serious cleaning power. Wow. Let's see if I can get it open here. Really nice container they put it in too for shipping. It's a nice yellow. My kitchen is done with sunflowers. They did not know that, but this works perfect. Plus it has, the yellow thing is kind of a rubber so it doesn't scratch anything. And that's an actual glass bottle. Then they sent me their 7th generation disinfecting wipes. Kills 99.99% of germs botanically. And it's the lemongrass citrus scent. There's 35 wipes in here. And you can use it in your kitchen, children's toys, garbage cans, your bathroom, and doorknobs. And it says clean and disinfect in one easy step. Okay. And then one of the main reasons I wanted to get this is I absolutely love these buckets. I just think they're so cool and such a cool way to carry your cleaning supplies around the house. And then they sent me 2 of the Walmart and cellulose scrubber sponges, and I believe this is part of the free gift. This was the bucket. Then they sent me Meyer's Clean Day hand soap and Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner and Meyer's Clean Day, this is the dish soap. I'm going to try this. Interested in seeing how that works. Now this is the Bubble Up soap dispenser and brush dish set. Oh, and this has the flower design on it. I just love that. And I believe, it probably comes with instructions. Add soap and water to the spring-loaded ceramic base. Move the brush up and down to generate foam. Clean dishes and admire their sparkle. Refill with soap and water as necessary. So you put the just soap and a little water in here. You just go like this and then scrub your dishes. And last but not least, they sent me their ultra soft tissues. 100% sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. And these are their, I guess they're like Kleenex, but they're made from bamboo instead of trees that are not as sustainable. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll join me next time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that little bell there so you know when I post new videos onto my channel. And happy home and gardening.